Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay a 60s inspired fit in Dress to Impress. So step back in time and surf iconic 60s vibes in DTI. On today's video, I'll show you how you can recreate a fabulous retro glam look that screams vintage fashionista. So this is the look that I created for the 60s theme. Let's just get started. So for the hair, I'm only using this hairstyle, and you can choose the color that you prefer. And next for the outfit here, I'm going to put on this skirt first, and you can change the color to the color that you want. I'm going to use the soft pink color, and for the top, you can just put on this top here and use the same color and put on this shirt at the top. Toggle it into the basic one with no picture and change the color the same. And the shoe, I'm going to wear this one and color it the same like the top. And after that, you're just going to put on some accessory like necklace or maybe bracelet if you want to. So this is for the belt. I'm using this one and color it to the color that pop. Next, I'm going to put on some accessory like this earrings. So this is the look for the 60s category. Let me know your favorite retro era in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more DTI outfit info. Bye!